How to use ChatGPT on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type ChatGPT Discord. Now click on search. Now scroll down and tap on ChatGPT bot. Now scroll to the right and tap on add app. Now select your server. Now click on continue. Tap on authorize. Tap on confirm. Now tap on go to server. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.